Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Tellor or TRB. Just wanted to do a quick update on that. It has still been very bullish right now. There's actually not that much going on, like the volume is actually up quite a bit. So there is quite a lot going on, but like most of the momentum was 2 days ago. After that, it just has been consolidating right now. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on that. I did a full analysis on that. I do think I have a pretty clear idea right now of where Tellor is going. So I'll tell you about that. We'll take a look at some other statistics which are very valuable to take a look at. So just in general, after this video, I think you'll know everything you need to know about TRB's current situation right now and what to expect from the price. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium training group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, if I may say so, and my trading guides for if you want to learn how to analyze like me. But now onto Tellor. All right, so first of all, Tellor is 100% manipulated, and I will show you two reasons for why I think that. First of all, if you take a look at Tellor right now, and if you take a look at where the volume is coming from, you'll see that this is actually not showing all of the volume. But if you take a look at where the volume is coming from, it's pretty decent, but there is a lot of volume coming from Bika, BitGet, SuperX, Bitfavo, which usually, if that's the case, it's manipulated. And then apart from that, there's absolutely no fundamental reason for why TRB is bullish like this at this point of time. So yeah, it's just that combination usually is manipulation. Now, that doesn't really mean anything in terms of direction. It could still go both ways. And that's also right now which what Tellor is struggling a little bit with. Because it has this resistance level right here, around $25. Also supported with a 236 fib, which has now turned into resistance. And then it has this major support at 22.5, which is a bit of a psychological level. Not as strong as 25, but still. And a lot of technicals, right? There's a lot of technicals right here in this area, which are providing support. Tellor already broke down below that once on Friday, but apart from that, it's really the entire level is between $22.5 and $21, and that entire level hasn't broken yet. So if we take a look at some other statistics regarding Tellor, what we'll see is that the open interest has peaked, but it's still fairly high. And the volume has also peaked, but it's also still pretty stable right now. So really both things are possible. Or Tellor could go both ways. Like all of the indicators right now are very neutral. And like I said, in terms of manipulation, it's hard to say. Like there's still a lot of resistance up here at $31, which Tellor could get to. Right now, I would say it depends on which one of those levels is going to break first. So $21 or $25. And at this point of time, I would argue that it's impossible to know which one, even though I have a slight bearish bias, right? So I think it's a bit more likely that $21 will break. If that happens, we'll see a move down to 17 and 16 and a half, and probably lower then, but I'll make an update on that. So this is one of the scenarios. The other scenario is that Tellor breaks above $25, then takes a bullish break retest, and then probably gets up to that $31 level, a bit higher than the previous top. So like I said, at this point of time, I don't think there's any way to really know which one of these scenarios is going to play out. Like I said, I mean, Tellor has already rallied a lot from like $10 all the way up to $30. So it seems a bit more likely to me, especially also with the volume that's down, that we'll see a bearish breakout. Also because Bitcoin is just bearish. But in the end, it's better to wait for confirmation. So that's my take on Tellor for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and bye.